Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can link your Toon Blast account with Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end. To connect your Toon Blast account with Facebook, firstly go ahead and open your Toon Blast application. The home page of Toon Blast application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up option, tap on Facebook Connect option. It will automatically connect your Toon Blast account with your Facebook account in no time. This is how you can connect your Toon Blast account with Facebook quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.